The entire elevator was dismantled and dried. Let's see how slow this machine is. What kind of data did the boss provide me? As a result, it was so slow to arrive at the scene. The whole car is slow. This one. Incredible. Let's personally try it out. Let's try the machine now. Do you see how much the throttle is? Almost finished putting on the gas. This speed is pitifully slow. This is too slow. This is not just about the inability to lift the upper arm. This is typical. All the traffic is not enough. It's useless. Too slow. The upper arm can't even get up. It will rise a little when lifted alone. It's too slow. This one. This won't work anymore. Let me take a look. How many seconds does it take to drive the Big B? 1,236 seconds. Clock, Taiwan big arm. This is car wide. It's slow, not like he said. The middle and upper arms of the Taiwan University cannot be lifted. This provides incorrect data. When he retracted his middle arm, raise your arm, the arm doesn't move at all. Not moving at all. Still. The whole car is slow. Tried it, there is strength. Pilot pressure. I tried the feeling of driving with the joystick. I feel that the pressure on the handle is enough. We clean the solenoid valve directly. See if he can speed up. The phenomenon of work is simply not regulating. No matter how much throttle is applied, the speed remains unchanged. Check if this solenoid valve is not powered on. This elevator is not adjustable. 2 needles. Electricity. Electricity. The electronic valve is also stuck. Remove the battery valve and take a look. When dismantling this solenoid valve, be sure to pay attention when cleaning. It has a place when it goes in. Don't get this position wrong. If you install it in the wrong location, maybe there will be no action. May not be adjusted. Don't install this thing. Say. Actually, the solenoid valve is still useless. Continue to the next step. Why did you say in the live stream that the Komatsu is on the excavator? The requirements for this hydraulic oil are particularly high. Let's take a look at a lift with so many filters. 6. Take a look at this throttle hole. Do you see it? The hair has such a big hole. If the leaves were a little dirty. It's all over. The entire elevator was dismantled and dried. All empty. There's nothing left in there. Have it cleaned, reload it back. Let's see if we can get up quickly. Has there been any improvement? Got it done. Start the driver first. See if the action is faster. Take a look at the current boom. If there is a door, put it smaller. It was originally added to this position. National Taiwan University B57. Let's take another look at the current National Taiwan University B7. Do you see it? Kill him directly in 4 seconds. The boss provided incorrect information. How far? Let's take a look at the current speed. Alas, where was the excavator just now? Do you see it? Do you see it? The fault that was originally called to deal with is, it's like raising the upper arm while retracting the middle arm. I didn't expect it to be all slow. Take a look now. Pull in your middle arm and lift your big arm. Do you see it? Now level. Did you see? Alas. Is this like an excavator? Starting slowly to death. Another lucky day to get it done.